Hi, my name is Yvonne Natasha Anaatar. So today I'm with Miss Frances from primary school teacher. So let us hear Miss Frances to introduce herself.
Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you to Miss Yvonne for inviting me in this discussion about the role and challenges of pedagogical strategies in multicultural education. My name is Miss Frances and I am teaching at SK Atas Singaibao.
Okay, so for your information, our discussion for today is about the challenges and strategies in as an educator. So we will discuss three challenges of pedagogical strategies in multicultural education. Will be the first one is using mass media and social media. Second one will be implication of language diversity, and the third one will be implication of cultural inclusivity. So let us listen to Miss Frances to share her thought today.
Okay, thank you, Miss Yvonne. All right. The first challenges is using mass media and social media. It's really affecting teachers' teaching methods and students' learning methods. It has impacts implementation of existing education system and student development. Other than that, the use of wireless mobile devices has increased users, but the media often uses excuses like democracy, freedom of speech, and individual rights to harm culture and religious beliefs. The concept of borderless culture is also a concern as if can influence moral values and control people's minds. However, the challenges also include the blurring of boundaries between public and private life as well as relationships between students and teachers. Okay, so that is for the first challenges in using mass media and social media. And the second challenges we have here is implication of language diversity. So mostly students will face challenges in reading due to unfamiliarity with complex words and vocabulary. They also will have difficulty in understanding text ideas, plots, sentences, and difficulty in discovering the meaning. Okay, the learning fundamentals in particularly challenging for students will with learning disabilities impacting academic performance and requiring ongoing support from educators. And don't forget, English vocabulary also plays a role as well. However, multicultural classrooms are different from ordinary ones due to language barriers, dominating different learning styles, and poorly formed speaker listener relationships. Okay, students from different countries may speak the same language but may struggle to understand each other due to factors like parents, environment, and dialects. Right? So that is the second challenges. And our third challenges is in implication of cultural inclusivity. Okay, the challenges for the teachers or educators. Okay, the challenges that faced by us in multicultural classrooms can make the teaching and learning process a trial for both teachers and students. Okay, besides that, it can be attributed to various factors, including natural cognitive abilities, problem solving methods, external factors like crowded classes, fear and poor facilities, existential and improving barriers, extraordinary needs, distraction, and immersion, and the COVID 19 pandemic. Okay. However, we as teachers often face a tough challenge. It's like trying to cook your favorite meal but missing key ingredients. Yeah, Miss Yvonne? In this resource, teachers need to use their teaching and problem solving skills wisely. So that's all my sharing about the challenges, about the three challenges. Miss Yvonne, thank you.
Okay, so we have heard Miss Frances. She shared about her thought about the challenges she faced as an educator or as a teacher. So let us hear from her again how she overcome those challenges in a multicultural classroom. Now let's listen to Miss Frances.
Okay, so the strategies, we have a lot of strategies. The first one, in using mass media and social media effectively in multicultural education requires careful planning and implementation to ensure inclusivity, cultural sensitivity, and meaningful engagement. Okay, so there are some strategies such as interactive learning platforms, which utilize social media platforms as interactive learning space where students can engage in discussions, share resources, and collaborate with peers from different cultural backgrounds. Encourage respectful dialogue and exchange of ideas to foster cross cultural understanding. So, teachers' teaching techniques should change along with the rapid explosion of the latest technology. Following that, the state government of Sarawak proposed to supply smart TV facilities to all primary schools in the state. This is because the teaching and learning process through the smart TV mechanism is easier compared to other media devices such as LCD projectors. It is easier for teachers to explain a topic using videos and animations that are more realistic than other media devices. And for the schools that do not have an internet network, the teachers only need to upload the information needed for the learning session and then install it on the smart TV. Okay, that is for the first strategy. And our second strategy in implication of language diversity, the strategies for implications of language diversity for teachers, they should offer all learning styles, considering cognitive styles like field dependent and field independent cognition, okay? Reflectivity, impulsivity, and tolerance can affect student behavior, group work, and understanding of games rules. Visual learning materials can be more effective in acquiring new knowledge. All right, that is the second strategy.
Okay.
The third strategy is in implication of cultural inclusivity. The classroom environment should accommodate children from diverse cultures through diverse extracurricular activities, fostering a sense of societal norms and relationships. We as teachers should also teach communication skills, addressing shyness and promoting open discussion on various topics. This will help students adapt to their new environment and foster a positive classroom atmosphere, promoting inclusive learning environment. So that's all the strategies that I can share with you, Miss Yvonne. I hope it is helpful for you and other people in future.
Okay, thank you, Miss Frances, for your time today because you have to share your thought about the challenges and strategies in teaching in multicultural education. Okay, so for to conclude our discussion today, the concept of multicultural education faces challenges such as the separation between inside and outside multicultural education and the inadmissible school careers of students with the background. To improve multicultural media competence, school must address issues such as media instruction, media instruction and relocation talk in media. Additionally, challenges include transnational relocation and hybridism in societies and person characters, which can lead to a limited life and a skill life. School must prepare students for these challenges and recognize the potential benefits for embracing hybridism in society and people. So I hope what we discussed today will be helpful for you as educator and to others. Thank you, Miss Frances, for your time today. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Hope to see you next time.
Yes. Okay. Thank
Bye
you too, Miss
bye.
Yvonne.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.